Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the ASUS ZenBook 14X and what's inside of it. To get inside of this device, you first need to remove the back rubber feet. Then, undo the 2 Phillips head screws, as well as the 8 other Torx head ones. Then, pry the bottom panel and pop it away from the chassis. Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you. Inside we see a rather big 63 watt-hours battery pack. It lasted us for 11 hours of web browsing, or 8 hours of video playback. If you want to remove it, you first need to unplug the battery connector. Then, undo all 6 Phillips head screws holding it in place, and take it away from the device. Here, the memory comes soldered to the motherboard. You get to choose between 8 or 16 GB of quad-channel LPDDR4X RAM. Storage-wise, there is one M.2 PCIe X4 slot, which supports Gen 4 drives. As for the cooling, it is impressive to see 2 heat pipes, leading to a pair of heat sinks and 2 fans. In addition, the VRMs are being cooled as well. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.